Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Vaidyanna. We have seen three chapters. Now, chapter number 4, a truly beautiful mind. A truly beautiful mind. We see the chapter sketch. This story recounts the life of an outstanding scientific personality, Albert Einstein. This story recounts the life of an outstanding scientific personality, great scientist, Albert Einstein. You have heard the name and know very well. From his birth till his death, from birth to death, this story represents the life story of outstanding great scientist Albert Einstein from birth to death. His theories totally changed our understanding of space and time. His theory totally changed our understanding of space and time. What we thought and actually what it was, we realized from his story, his theory. Though he was not successful in his family life, his scientific exploits won him the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. Though he was not successful in family life, he was not succeeding in family life, not successful, yet his scientific exploits won him the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921, before 99 years. At present 2020 going on, he won this Nobel Prize in 1921. He was known as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius. Concerned with the scientific genius, he was considered or known as visionary, who see the vision, who think about future. That is why he is known as a visionary and world citizen as much as scientific genius. That shows that in this story we learn about great scientist Albert Einstein from his birth to death. Second, he was not successful in his family life, yet his work brought him Nobel Prize in 1921. And he was visionary man, known as visionary man, and he was scientific genius. That we learn from this story. Now about the character. See, Albert Einstein, he was a genius and peace activist, but was not a successful family man. He was genius and peace activist who believing in peace, but was not successful family man. His theories are being proven correct today. If we realize then what he said before 100 years, we find it correct. That shows that he was man of vision, visionary man. What he thinks about future, today we find it correct. That shows that he was man of vision, visionary man. What he thinks, today we find that it is not 99 but 100% correct. Second, characters. Meliva Mary, Einstein's first wife and mother of his two sons. Einstein's first wife, Meliva Mary, and mother of his two sons, she lost interest in her intellectual ambition and divorced him after 16 years of marriage. This particular lady, Mileva Maric, was the first wife of Einstein, and two sons they had. She lost interest in her intellectual ambition and she divorced after the 16 years of marriage. That shows about his marriage and had two children. Now see summary of the chapter. Early life of Einstein. Einstein's early life. Albert Einstein was born to German parents on 14th March 1879 in US in Ulm, Germany. He was born on 14th March 1879 Ulm, Germany. That means he was German. His mother thought that he was abnormal because his head was too large compared to other children. His mother thought that he was abnormal, means not normal, because his head was too large comparing with other children's. His head was too large, that is why his mother thought that not normal but abnormal. He started speaking that also with difficulty. He started that is also with difficulty only by the time he was 2.5 years old. He loved a play with mechanical toys and preferred to play alone. Only by the time he was 2.5 years old, he also hesitated in speaking. He loved to play with mechanical toys and preferred to play alone. See, he did not prefer to play with other friends, other mates. He preferred to play alone and he preferred to play with mechanical toys. Thus, other children called him Brother Boring because he did not play with the other children. That is why other children called him Brother Boring. Even his school headmaster was not happy with him. Even school headmaster was not happy with him, telling his father that Albert would never be successful whatever career he took up. Principal also, headmaster also not satisfied and telling his father that he did not succeed in any field whatever career he took up. His mother made him learn how to play the violin at the age of 6 years. His mother taught him how to play violin at the age of 6 years. He later on became a talented amateur violinist. He knows playing violin also. His mother taught him at the age of 6 years. That shows that he had also higher interest in violin and he was non-professional violinist. That means he did not play for earning money, non-professional. That shows that his early life, as his head was too large, mother thought he was abnormal, not normal, hesitated to speaking, and he played with mechanical toys. He played alone. That is why other children called him Brother Boring. His headmaster also did not satisfy or was not happy with his work and telling that he did not succeed in any field he took. Education and married life of Einstein. After seeing early life of Einstein, now education and married life of Einstein. Education and married life of Einstein. When Einstein's parents shifted to Milan, they allowed him to continue school in Munich. But he left the high school there at the age of 15 years as he left in Munich, as he left uneasy with the strictness there. When Einstein's parents shifted to particular place named Milan city, they allowed him to continue school in Munich because they first live in Munich. Parents left Munich and went to Milan, but parents want that he continue his education in Munich. But he left the high school there at the age of 15 years as he felt uneasy with the strictness there. He felt uneasy. He didn't like to study there in Munich, and that is why he also left the school in Munich. He was extraordinary in mathematics and interested in physics. He was extraordinary in mathematics and higher interested in physics. So he continued his studies at the university in Zurich. So he kept the continue his education in the University of Zurich. There he met a Serbian girl, Milica Maric. He met there this particular girl, Milica Maric, who was also an intellectual. She was also intelligent intellectual. They fell in love and ultimately married after Albert found a job on finishing his university studies. They fall in love, and when Albert got the job, they married. But their family life was not happy. Family life was not happy. Despite having two sons, they finally divorced in 1919. Despite having two sons, yet they finally divorced in 1919. Even though they had two sons, they divorced in the year 1919. That was his education and married life of Einstein. Again, in short, when Einstein's parents shifted to Milan from Munich, and they allowed Einstein to keep his education continue in Munich, but Einstein felt uneasy and strictness there, so he left the school at the age of 15 years. He was extraordinary in mathematics and physics, so he continued his study at the university in Zurich. There he met a Serbian girl from Serbia named Milica Maric, who also was intellectual. They fall in love and ultimately married after Albert found a job on finishing his university studies. He found a job and they married. But their family life was not happy. Despite having two sons, they divorced in 1919. Clear? Now Einstein's special theory of relativity. Einstein's special theory of relativity. Einstein finally secured a job as a technical expert in patent office in Bonn. Einstein got a job as a technical expert in patent office in Bonn, where he assessed, judge other people's invention. He has to see other people's inventions. Side by side, he continued developing his own ideas secretly. He did not stop thinking about other matters. He continued developing his own idea secretly. He published his special theory of relativity in 1905. He published this particular theory, that is theory of relativity in 1905. He was born, as you know, in 1879. At the age of 26 years, he published his particular special theory, relativity in 1905, according to which time and distance are not absolute. Time and distance are not independent. He described this particular theory. Next page. On the left side, he derived, means obtained, the world's most famous formula describing the relationship between mass and energy. He described this relationship between mass and energy, as you know, E is equal to mc square, that he described. After done this type of experiment, he described this world most famous formula describing the relationship between mass and energy. He put in front of the world. In 1915, Einstein published his general theory of relativity. After 10 years, in 1915, he published general theory of relativity. The solar eclipse of the sun proved his theory as a correct. The solar eclipse proved his theory to be correct, and he became famous as his work was considered a scientific revolution. He became famous because his work considered to be the scientific revolution. For this and his other achievements, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. For this and for others, he received this particular Nobel Prize in the year 1921. Now, Einstein's work for peace and democracy. His work for peace and democracy. When the Nazis came to power in Germany, Einstein immigrated, moved away to the USA. When Nazi party came to power in Germany, Hitler, you know, so Einstein immigrated, means moved away to USA. When the world scientists came to know that Germany had developed nuclear fission, they became afraid that the Nazi could build and use an atomic bomb. People thought in this way, that when the world scientists came to know that Germany had developed nuclear fission, and they have that type of fear that they are making atomic bombs and they use. He was persuaded by a colleague to write to Franklin D. Roosevelt, and that is why he wrote a letter to Franklin D. Roosevelt, President of the USA, that this development could cause large-scale devastations. He wrote a letter to at that time, the Franklin D. Roosevelt, President of USA, America, that this development could cause large-scale devastations, means destruction. This made the Americans develop their own atomic bomb and use it against Japan near the end of the Second World War, as you know, and that is why America had made atom bomb and used, as you know, on the two cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945 during the Second World War. Einstein was shocked. Einstein was shocked by the extent of destruction caused by the bombs and wrote an open letter to the United Nations to stop the arms building by forming a world government. Einstein was shocked by the extent of destruction and caused by these bombs and wrote an open letter to the United Nations to stop the arm building by forming a world government. He wrote and thought it is not good making atom bomb and used on the two cities of Japan, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So he wrote a letter and open letter to the United Nations to stop the arm building forming world pyramid. Einstein continued campaigning, push or press for an end to the arms building and used his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy during the next 10 years. Next 10 years, he put emphasis, he didn't like this, he believing in peace, and that is why he wrote a letter to stop this building arms, and that is why he believing in peace. He kept his campaign for peace during the next 10 years. Till his death in 1955, he was known and celebrated as a visionary world citizen as much as a scientific genius. Till his death, he kept this campaign. Till his death, he died in 1955. Born in, as you know, 1879, means 21 plus 55, 76 years he lived, and he died in 1955. He was known and celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as scientific genius. His name higher, and he put his higher efforts to maintain peace in the world. Now chapter highlights. Chapter highlights we see. Keeping till here. Chapter highlight we see in next lectures. Till here keeping. Write this one time and read 3 times. Chapter highlight we will see next lecture. Okay, see you. Thank you. Bye.